In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to WordPress W. By the end, you'll have your WordPress posts, categories, and tags flowing into Webflow, ready to publish. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer or Dashboard. From there, look for the CMS Import or WordPress Connection option. You'll see a prompt that mentions connecting your WordPress site to transfer posts, categories, and tags into Webflow. Click the highlighted Connect button to begin. If you're asked to enter details, type into the highlighted field, typically your WordPress site URL, then proceed. You may see the Connect option appear more than once. That's normal. Go ahead and click Connect your WordPress site to transfer posts, categories, and tags into Webflow whenever it's presented. In the Connection panel, you'll notice links labeled Website and Support. Support is there if you need documentation, but for setup, click Website. This will take you to the official connector page for the WP to Webflow integration, hosted at wpt.df.com. On that page, choose Open Full Listing so you can see the complete connector details and installation steps. Next, click Install on Site. This routes you to your WordPress admin to install the connector plugin that authorizes the data transfer. Follow the prompts on WordPress to complete the install. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to install plugins. When the plugin is installed, return to your Webflow connection screen. Click Connect your WordPress site again to finalize the handshake between Webflow and WordPress. If you see a highlight or an authorization prompt, click it to approve access. It's common to confirm this once or twice as both sides verify the connection. After a moment, Webflow will recognize your WordPress site and prepare your content for import. Before you push anything live, take a moment to review the imported collections, fields, and any mapped categories or tags inside Webflow. This is a good time to confirm that the correct posts are listed and that media and categories look right. If something seems off, use the support link you saw earlier for troubleshooting tips, or double-check the site URL you entered. Once everything looks good, click Publish in Webflow. Publishing makes your imported content available on the selected domains. If you prefer to stage first, publish to a staging domain and review the live result, then publish to production when you're satisfied. That's it. You started in Webflow, launched the WordPress connection,